In Growing Walnuts for Profit, a comprehensive guide, author Pooyan Ghamari demystifies the process of walnut cultivation. This in-depth guide is designed to lead both new and experienced farmers through each stage of establishing a profitable walnut farm, from selecting the right location and preparing it, to planting, nurturing the trees, and finally, marketing the yield. Below is a list of topics covered in this guide. Introduction. The guide begins by highlighting the potential of walnut farming and its growing demand in the global market. Understanding the fundamentals. This chapter sets the foundation by introducing the specifics of walnut farming and explaining why certain elements like the right location and soil are crucial. Site selection and preparation. The third chapter delves into the importance of proper site selection and preparation, including factors like climate, soil type, and water availability. Choosing walnut varieties and planting. Here, readers learn about various walnut tree varieties and the best practices for planting them. Tree spacing. This section presents an optimal tree spacing strategy to ensure high yields and easy management. Irrigation and fertilization. This chapter provides insights into efficient irrigation and fertilization techniques that promote healthy tree growth. Soil management. This part details sustainable practices to preserve and enhance soil fertility. Pest and disease management. Here, the guide offers insights into prevalent walnut pests and diseases and introduces effective management strategies. Pruning and shaping your walnut trees. This chapter emphasizes the importance of pruning and shaping and guides the reader on how to carry out these practices effectively. Harvesting and post-harvest handling of walnuts. This section describes the process of identifying when walnuts are ready for harvest and provides important post-harvest handling tips. Marketing your walnut produce. This chapter explores different marketing strategies, helping the reader understand their target market and how to reach it effectively. Conclusion. Your journey towards a thriving walnut farming venture. The concluding chapter summarizes the entire journey of walnut farming, reflecting on the processes involved and the satisfaction derived from this agricultural venture. Through this guide, Pooyan Ghamari empowers aspiring walnut farmers with the knowledge they need to build a successful farming business. He combines detailed information and best practices to ensure readers have the best chance of a bountiful harvest and a prosperous future in walnut farming.